Hi, I'm Mike Papali, Manager of Community Relations at Defibtech. Now that you've purchased your Defibtech Lifeline automated external defibrillator, we are going to show you what's in the box, how to set it up, and the next steps you need to take to ensure that your AED is always ready to help save a life. First, here is your AED. Next, here is your quick use card. This should be stored with the AED at all times. Here is your registration cards. We urge you to take the time to register your Defibtech product. Here is your operating guide. This contains all of the necessary information about your AED. Here is one set of adult pads. As a reminder, pediatric pads are sold separately. Pediatric pads are used on anyone 8 years of age or younger, or 55 pounds or less. Here is your 9-volt battery. Finally, here is your battery pack. It is important to note the expiration date of both your battery pack and your pads. The Defibtech Lifeline AED has both a 5-year and a 7-year battery pack option. The expiration date for the battery pack can be found here. AED pads expire every 2 years. The expiration date on the pads can be found here. Now we're going to show you how to attach your pads and insert your battery pack. It is always important to attach your pads prior to inserting the battery pack. When placing the pads, it is important to have the expiration date facing you so it is easily accessible. Once the pads are attached, you can take your 9-volt battery and place it inside the battery pack. Once the 9-volt battery is inside the battery pack, you can insert the battery pack into the side of the AED. Make sure the label is facing you.
Performing battery test. Battery OK. Powering off.
After the device performs its battery test, you should see the active status indicator light flashing green every few seconds.